Hey guys, I was off today, and I started out saying I'm pretty bummed out because I lost a ring that I had found today, and it ended up being a junk ring, but I really liked it, and I'm bummed out. So I'm trying to go find that. Uh, who knows where it is? I don't usually carry stuff on me after I've come home, but we had a club meeting tonight, and I wanted to bring it in there, and I had it in my pocket, and I was out hunting, and I kept my phone in my pocket too, because I don't even usually do that. But the uh, the meeting started at 7. I didn't want to be late, and I checked my phone a few times to see what time it was. So I probably and it was in the same pocket as that, so it fell out of that pocket while I was checking my phone. So I can imagine how bad somebody feels when they lose a nice ring. Uh, kind of ironic, but all right. So uh, yeah, the day started off maybe some bad mojo going on. That was the my first find. I was like, that's not nice. That's not even why. Why? Why do I gotta? Why do I gotta read that? Pretty sure it's part of a gun. And that was in the yard. I had a couple new permissions, a couple houses. They didn't pan out. I got like 4 wheat pennies in one yard, and just a few coins. There just wasn't much of any signals. And then the other yard, the weeds were too tall, and I found this. I don't know what the heck this is. That's a giant cross, or had that rope on it. Somebody using it as an anchor? I don't know. I don't. I mean, oh, is that a cross? What is that? I mean, it's lead. It's heavy. I just don't know what this would be. I thought maybe you put it on the wall. But, oh, you know what? It might be. Duck hunters use decoys. This could be to hold a decoy down, but that's only maybe. I don't know for sure. That just came to me. So there's that. And this could be bad mojo along with the other uh with this, because then for the first time ever, I locked myself out of my truck, and I was like, what the heck? So I had to try to climb through the little hole in the back window, and I got back in there, and then things started to get a little better. Found a ring, just a junker, big diamonds all the way around it. Get that there. So I was like, all right. So I don't have some bad mojo going on. Things are getting better. And then I got this. I thought it was a dog chain, but this is actually goes on a wrist. There's the clasp, and certainly not any precious metal, unfortunately. So I got that. Got a buckle. Nice buckle. I've gotten a few of these in that same area. This one says patent date 1879, so definitely some age on these. I got another one almost just like it, about 10 foot away from it before. It was a little smaller. Didn't have the patent date on the other one though. Um, I got this. I don't know what this is. It's a long, looks like a spiky nail kind of thing, which normally would be garbage to me, but it actually says something. It says, let me start here. It says Michigan State Highway BM. I don't know what that means. Michigan State Highway BM. I don't know what on earth this would be. I mean, it's long. The cat's head. It would go all the way through. So here's that. And I don't know what this is either. I thought maybe it's something that goes on in a door. E.O. Stearns and Company, Syracuse, New York, USA. It's got a patent date of 1900 on it. The other side. Um, Gun, broken half. I like the handle though. Seen better days. I got a thimble. This one's crushed, but I'm sure it's aluminum. It's not silver. Okay, doesn't have any weight to it. Um, Man, and I really wish I could show you that ring. I did. I took pictures of it, put it on Facebook because it looked really good, and I thought for sure I had something good. And then when I cleaned it, I did that live on camera, so I'm gonna show you that video of me cleaning it, and I was gonna do more pictures later. It turned out to be just a junk ring, but yeah, I still want it. I want it back, so I'm gonna try to look tomorrow. But who knows, man? I've been so many places, I walked so much, and dug so many holes. Who knows where it is? I'll probably never find it again. So, all right, so I'm gonna leave you, and I'll leave you with that video following this. Thanks. Hey guys, just came home for lunch off today, and I wanted to film this kind of live. So I never do live digs, because my cable doesn't go miles. I'm connected to my computer, so eventually I'll get a, GoPro or something like that. But I got other things to spend my money on now. But I'm very excited about this. Actually, after I got it, I said I got to go home now because I can't sit around all day with this in my pocket. So I'm gonna eat, and it looks beautiful from, I mean, you see the dirt, but it looks beautiful right now. I mean, it's just got the right weight. It came up a nickel tone, and it sure looks like gold. Nice, nice, nice gold ring to me. I'm not positive yet. Even if it isn't, I'm still happy. I'm keeping my expectations low. Not really. I'm really expecting this to be a gold ring. So look at it right there. It could be silver. I don't know. I think it's got a gold tint to it. Pretty sure. And it rang up in the nickel range. That's right where you want a gold ring. So, and it looks nice. It's nice. It's got the right nice chunky fat weight. Oh man. Look at the stone. This looks old. It's got everything you want. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, come on. What's it say? No. It may say something bad. It says India. Now, India has a lot of gold. Crap. I would have rather had it say 12. Ah, man, this might not be. Ugh, come on. Expectations low, low, low. Okay, it definitely says India on it, but I don't see any other mark. It's got the right weight for gold. It's right the India mark. is right there. You see it? I got it upside down, but let's try that. It's right up under the stone, and it looks like that's gonna be it. This looks like a really nice ring. I may have to go take a trip downtown and have this checked out. Uh, I mean, India uses a lot of gold. I wish it said 10. I wish it said something. I kind of don't like the way this cleaned up. But I've had a gold ring, a really old one before, that really gave me fits on cleaning it. So I'm not giving up. We shall see.